Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make grunge paint designs on Canva. So I'm just going to search for elements here and I'm just going to type in brush stroke. Then you're just going to use whichever colors you want to use. I'm just going to try to do like a Halloween / autumn vibe. Let's do like this brown, I guess. Is there a purple one? Maybe like a yellow as well. I'm just going to copy and paste these colors because I couldn't be bothered searching for it. And then if you want like a border, you can use like a black paintbrush stroke. Just do that. And just like do this. And then just going to do this. Okay, I think it's just going to be an autumn. Let's do a pumpkin. And I'm gonna do, I don't know, this one because it looks the most painted on. And then type in paint splatters. Do like this one where it's not super visible, and then you can change your color then. And that is pretty much it really. You can add text to it if you'd like to, but I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If I had to change anything, probably just these colors. I can change it, which I'm probably going to do because it just doesn't mesh well. There we go, that looks better. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.